Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the person or invite people on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first you will need just to open up your mobile application, and from there you will need just to go to the activity tab. And basically it is located here in the bottom menu, and you will need just to click on this clock icon, and basically this is the activity tab. By going there, you will start seeing all your activities, and from here you will find either pending or all your transaction, etc. But all you need to do is just to click on the plus sign. So basically by clicking on the plus, you will be able to start adding people. So after you click, you will need just to go there. You add the number, phone number, or their email, of course, of the account of the person that you want to add. And then you will need just to click here by invited and click on allow contact access to make inviting friends easy if you would like. And basically, they will be invited and you can see them in the pending action or independent menu. And basically, whenever they are going to accept, you will find them that they are not anymore independent, and you can get some cash for referring, etc. And basically, after that, you can start managing your account, and you can go to your settings. And of course, you can click on the invite friends so you can add people, of course, as the same method as this one. And basically, by that, you will be able to invite or add people to your Cash App. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.